Hello, I'm Henrik Karlsson from the Stockholm Environment Institute, also co-leading Work Package 1 in Impressions.
Hi, I'm Tiago Capello Lourenço, based at Lisbon University, Faculty of Sciences.
I'm Maria Cruz from Lisbon University, and I'm also co-leading Work Package 1.
My name is Aris Tebo. I'm part of the Stockholm Environment Institute team.
So I'm going to talk a little bit about what Work Package 1 in Impressions is. The main objective of the Work Package is to enhance the understanding of climate adaptation decision making in practice and bring some of that experience into the overarching elements of impression. And what we've been doing is trying to assess both sides' needs. So on one hand, the needs of the stakeholders and the decision makers who are our target audience, let's put it that way, and on the other, the needs of our colleagues and the science perspectives in impressions.
So one of the things that we're doing at Work Package 1 is to interview a number of decision makers from the local scale to the European scale levels. So we are trying to understand what kind of information they use from climate change scenarios, from socioeconomic scenarios, how they use it, what are the limitations in using that kind of information that modelers produce, what are their needs.
And as Maria briefly mentioned about our case studies, that we were doing case studies both on a regional and a European level. We had three regional case studies that were looking at Scotland, Hungary and Iberia, focusing on the relationships in transboundary water issues between Spain and Portugal.
So one of the challenges that we're really trying to address in WP1 is this bridging or building bridges between modeling activities and actual decision support. There is a demand side and there is a supply side. There is something that is possible to model and there is something that is needed to model, and we're trying to bridge this gap. Another thing that people tell us is that, talking about climate impacts, it's that the socioeconomic changes could be equally important as the climate changes that we are usually focused on. So the important thing, and this is something that is addressed in general in Impressions, is that you really need to take both the socioeconomic changes into account and the climate changes into account.